Hello friend, welcome back. For our pro users in SelectorsHub, we have made it more convenient and easy to use the SelectorsHub inspector. So you see, in pro version currently we have this SelectorsHub Pro inspector here, which you just click here, and then after that you can inspect multiple elements. Like you can click on this XPath and everything will be generated. You can inspect this element as well, this element, and whenever you want to inactivate this inspector, just right click and it will get inactivated. Like if we are on any page here, this feature was very helpful. Let's say you want to generate the access XPath, like XPath relative to other element. You click here, you select this inspector, you can quickly inspect two elements, and this way you are able to generate this relative XPath, other XPath for one element relative to other element. It used to be very fast. Like let's say we want to generate for courses with respect to products, so first you inspect product, then you inspect courses. With this feature of inspector, we were not supposed to click on this inspector again and again. Like if you go to free version, here if you are on access XPath and you want to generate XPath for, let's say, practice page with respect to products, so first you have to click here, then you inspect products, then you have to click on this inspector again, and then you have to click on this. So this way we were able to generate the relative XPath or anything. Also this feature of SelectorsHub Pro inspector, where you can generate the page object model, like complete locator page like this, and you select this inspector and you can inspect multiple element, and you see that selectors and XPath are generating quickly for all the elements. You need not to select again and again. Good. But we realized, and many of our users requested, that can we make it possible that it get inactivated immediately after inspecting one element, like it is there in free version. So you see that in free version you inspect one element and then inspector become deactivated, and then you can move your mouse around. So this feature is something pretty much similar, like you inspect with the DevTools inspector, you inspect one element and then inspector become inactive. So can we have this thing in pro version as well? So now we have made it possible in pro version as well. Now you can make this inspector deactivate, like inactive you can make it after inspecting one element. Currently it is like always active. Once you have made it active, you have to right click on it. But what if, like let's say you want to inactivate this inspector just after inspecting one element? So now we have added this one feature here under customize. You see that, click to customize UI. So here, and same way you can do it from the SelectorsHub Pro in DevTools as well. So you see that multi inspector, so you just uncheck this, and now if you go back here and select this inspector, inspect any element, and you will realize that it is getting inactivated immediately after inspecting any element. So this way you can just make this inspector similar like DevTools or the free version, that it will get deactivated after inspecting one element. Now it will not remain active. If you want to keep it active always, then in that case you select this checkbox like multi inspector. Now if you open SelectorsHub in DevTools as well, it will work same way. Like this inspector, we also have the inspector here. You see that you inspect any element and it will, like after inspecting one element, it is getting deactivated. You inspect any other element, let's say this one, so it got deactivated. If you want to keep it active, just select this again, come back here and inspect, start inspecting, it is remain active. So now this way you can activate this inspector, keep it activated for all the elements, like forever. Once you select this, if you want to keep it inactive, deactivated after inspecting one element, do it from the customize setting from here. Very simple. So this is, I hope like you like this feature, and if you are using this like it is always activated, in that case, like whenever you want to deactivate, just right click, it will get deactivated. So that feature was always there. We have recently added this new feature, like you can have this option now, automatically it will get deactivated after inspecting one element. I hope you like this feature of SelectorsHub Pro. With that, thank you so much, and do let us know if you need any other feature in the comment section. Thank you.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.